Look at these animals. They love to play. Ready? Let's count down 10 of the most playful animals in the world. Number 10. Monkeys. Monkeys just can't sit still. They swing from trees, jump about, and love to chase each other. Have you ever seen a monkey do a silly flip? Hilarious! Number 9. Dolphins. Dolphins zoom through the water, leaping, spinning, and splashing with their dolphin friends. They even play games with seaweed, just like you play with toys. Number 8. Dogs. Dogs go wild for a good game of fetch. They'll chase a ball, play tug-of-war, or run in big, happy circles. Some even love to play in puddles. Number 7. Otters. Otters are water wizards. They slide on their bellies, splash about, and play with pebbles. Sometimes they even hold hands with their otter families. Number 6. Elephants. Baby elephants are super playful. They splash in muddy puddles, chase each other around, and sometimes even play with big sticks. Mud party, anyone? Number 5. Penguins. Penguins waddle and slide across the ice on their bellies. It's just like having a snow day every day. They race each other and belly flop into the water. Number 4. Cats. Cats love to pounce, chase, and bat at anything that wiggles. String, feathers, or even your shoelaces. Watch out! Meow. Number 3. Pandas. Pandas are the kings of rolling and tumbling. Baby pandas especially love to flop, roll, and climb all over each other. So silly. Number 2. Bear cubs. Baby bears are big fans of play fighting. Don't worry, it's all gentle. They wrestle, tumble, and chase their brothers and sisters through the forest. And at number 1, red foxes. Red foxes are famous for their playful tricks. They leap, pounce, and play hide and seek in the grass, always ready for a fun game with their friends and family. Wow! These animals love to play. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. Thanks for watching Brightbloom. Subscribe for more fun animal videos.